Hello everybody. In this lesson we are going to discover how to create and share boards on Pinterest. As you see on my screen before you, we're right here on Pinterest. What I'm going to do is go over to where my name is, scroll down to where it says boards, and click on boards. Now there's a few different ways that you can click on, you can create boards. You can just create a board right from scratch, or let's say if you find something that you like and you're not quite sure where to place it, you can create a board on what I say creating a board on the fly. But what I'm going to do right now is just go ahead on and create a specific board. As the saying goes, kill two birds with one stone. What I'm going to do, I'm going to look over here my friend Julie's website. She's got a board called Shades of Purple and Violet. And that's the board I'm going to create one like that. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and look at it in here on hers. And let's just go ahead on and find some things in there. She's got a lot of purple stuff. Boy, really loves purple. Never knew that about you, Julie. You really like purple. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead on and click a repin. Okay, I'm going to go ahead on and keep it. What you like. So notice I don't have a Shades of Purple board in my selection, but that's okay. So I scroll all the way to the bottom. You see where it creates new board? You type in the new board. So let's call it Shades of Purple. And then you click Create and pin it. Now as you'll see, let's go back to my board. Click on here, on the boards. And you notice when you scroll all the way to the bottom, you see it right there to the right, the very last board, the Shades of Purple. So that was created. Now if I go up to Pinterest, click on the Pinterest button in the middle of the screen, it should show that post or that pin coming up. There it is right there. Notice. And there it is pinned right there. Now, one thing you want to be sure to do, again, I'll stress this, is also make comments on things. Because when your comments go up, it draws attention to whatever you have on there. And I showed you previously how to edit it, so we're not going to go over the edit. Now, another way that you can make boards is you can click Add and create a board. Very simple. Put in the name of the board, select the category, whatever it's closest to. You don't necessarily have to have one, but it's good to have one. And you can also do one other thing, which is called contributors. Add contributors. Let's say you're working with somebody on a project, a work project, and you're collaborating on it together. Well, you can do this. You can have more than one contributor. What I'll do is, rather than go back and create a new one, I'm going to go back to the board that I had just created and edit that. So we go down to the purple board. Let's click on here, My Boards. Oh, it refreshes it basically. And we'll click on the board here. And it's asking me another thing. You can help other people categorize. It's actually asking me to put this in a category. So I can put it in a category. I'll put it in art. And now you click on Edit Board. And let's say I want to, let's say I'll let my friend, let's say Lisa will. You type in their name and it'll start to search it. There she is. I'll put Lisa Simpkin. And now I click Add. And now Lisa and myself can actually add to this board. Now she would get an email letting her know that she has access to this board and she could add artwork to it or add pinups to it. And there you have it. That's how you create and share boards.